on by and just walk on in. If you need a shoulder you can lean on, yeah, someone to stand by you through thick and thin. Oh, put your feet in my direction, they'll know where to go. Watch them, they'll just walk on in. Once you get moving, nothing hurts you quite so bad, and your spirit starts grooving and grooving, and your heart starts feeling glad, so glad, and you're thankful for all you have. So if you feel the need of someone to be with, it's alright to deny it, but surely it would be a sin. Yes, it would. Oh, sometimes all you need is a place where you know all you gotta do is just walk on in. All you got to do, darling, walk on in.